Okay? Pero, this is all assumed. Makakuha natin yung true figure when we use the formula for azimuth. Okay? Para makuha natin yung true figure, isolve natin yung azimuth patungo sa AB, tsaka azimuth patungo sa AC. And, pag-solve natin ang azimuth AB to AC, masosolve din natin yung nasa gitna na angle. Okay? Itong angle dito, this is alpha, right? Beta, we have the mga tawag dyan. Then we have the lambda. Okay? Minsan, ito natawag dito na W. Okay? So this is all assumed lang muna. And then yan yung figure. Para makuha natin yung true figure, isolve natin yung azimuth A to B and azimuth A to C. Okay? So how do we solve for azimuth A to B? Simple lang. We have our formula that is the tan inverse of the difference in easting and difference in northing plus 180.
Ay. Body ay.
Okay. Kung di nyo i-plus ng 180, that is the bearing. Okay? So bearing, the formula at is tan inverse. Okay? Yan na. Pero ang mahirap dito sa bearing, pag nag-assume ka ng figure, magkamali-mali ka. Kasi kailangan mo sa bearing, may figure ka. Okay? So ito, solve natin. That is azimuth AB, tangent inverse. Sulat nyo ha? Ano ang difference ng easting nila? That is B minus C ha? Baliktad. Dapat yung E yung mataas. E, B minus E, A. Sports. N, B minus N, E. Plus 180. Get out. Answer dapat dyan is itin ko na yung coordinates ko. We have 92 32, 13.40. Okay? Yan. Sino nakakuha na? Okay, habol yung ito.
Okay na din ito.